Meet in a luminous year to enjoy the beauty of fireworks. And tonight, all eyes are on this monumental star, the world's first ever 50-story fireworks light tower. When Asian pyrotechnic art engages in a dialogue with cutting-edge technology, we will witness the very scale of a luminous year brought to life before our eyes.
烟花正以科技为翼，跨越光年，让我们以天为幕，解锁烟花千年的浪漫史诗吧！
With the fireworks light tower as its centerpiece, Liuya River's natural beauty is seamlessly intertwined with the latest technological marvels, creating a multi-dimensional visual experience. This fireworks light tower draws upon distant realms of space-time, using a blend of culture and technology to transform the abstract concept of the luminous year into a tangible, awe-inspiring visual spectacle.
整体高度160米。其实我们舞美界来讲也好，是烟花界来讲也好，这都是一个前所未有的突破。说160米的塔，这一次我们通过我们的铸件、我们的计算，我们通过我们的力学分析来达到这么一个结构的高度。
The fireworks light tower is more than one of the world's tallest pyrotechnic installations. It opens a new dimension for the art itself. The opening ceremony, inspired by the luminous year, launches a journey of light through 3 acts: Genesis of life, Canvas of sky, and creation of universe. The tower transforms through 3 powerful themes: the tree of life, the tower of art, and the beacon of technology.
Using the fireworks light tower as a living canvas, through a masterful interplay of lighting, sound, and pyrotechnics, it evokes the vastness of a luminous year. When the fireworks explode in the night sky, they will freeze into a timeless, romantic memory, a journey through space and time.